Kindly double check your name, your flight airport to going to Haneda.
Yo, so we are in Yokohama, Japan. I'll be here for the next 2 to 3 days. I was invited by our good friends from Intel and Lenovo to check out their newest Aura Edition AI PCs. So make sure to watch out for that when we talk about it. But yeah, man, they know how to treat their guests well. Take a look at the room. I'm staying at the Westin here at Yokohama. And man, the room is amazing. Like bed, check. View, check. Room size, massive, big check. And even if you go to the bathroom, it's like a 5-star bathroom experience. You have the sink, bathtub, shower area, toilet. Man, 2 thumbs up. They really know how to take care of their guests. So yeah, this is our hotel room. We'll be staying here for the next few days. And super excited to be here. So make sure to check out the rest of the content in the coming days ahead as we go around Yokohama and check out Lenovo's new stuff. But before anything else, sneakers that we brought for today's trip. Ta-da! So this is the sneaker that I wore, which we did a review on, which is the Cloud Runner 2. But this is what I wore going here. But the one that I really want to try out and, well, get a feel for is this one, which I also unboxed, I guess, in the last episode. This is, I forgot what it's named. Cloud Monster or something? Something like that. It has bigger chain links. I don't know if that's what you call them for the midsole. So super excited to try this one out. And we'll bring them along with us as we walk around Yokohama. By the way, the weather here is 10 degrees. And I only brought one very thin jacket. Okay, let me just show you one of my favorite traveling gadgets. So this is a power station from Momax, which is in collaboration with Gundam. I don't know if you guys can read it. So it has like a plug area, you have USB slots. So it's just an all-around perfect travel companion. I also have like the universal adapter over there, which can also charge devices. And I even have the Momax power bank over here that again is themed with Gundam or in collaboration with Gundam. Really nice. Guys, this is Dewey. He's our senior editor at Unbox. Say hello to your fans.
Wow, hello. Hello guys. Hindi ko na nag-reflex ako. Kasi
Bigyan mo ako ng perfect bite ni Ninong Rai. Dewey, test taste. Test taste.
so that's egg with sashimi.
Hi kayo sa vlog.
Hello.
Chris, say hi to the vlog. Hey, you're not supposed to be here. Guys, so we're here at the Discover Lenovo event here in Yokohama, Japan. So we're going to check out some of their new AI laptops and innovations. So let's go. Dewey's helping me out with the video work. So if you go over here, this is their new Lenovo Yoga Pro. Dewey, can you take a look? So this one has a creator zone built in already, which uses AI for you to come up with images and other type of creative materials. Allows for you to enhance it seamlessly and easier. Tools that any creative would want to have. Of course, it also has the latest Intel processor, great battery life, all that good stuff. And if we go over here, this is one of my favorites. It's over there at the far end. So let's go. Say hi. And si Miss Anna, she fed us really well. Yesterday. Talagang yun. Okay, so yung pagkaan na laptop, Dewey. So the one that they're looking at right now, that is the new ThinkPad Carbon laptop. Now, which used to be very heavy and bulky. Diba, Dewey? If you think ThinkPad, big, bulky before. Now it weighs under 1 kilogram.
Under 900.
That's insane. Actually, we were playing around with it. We were tossing it around. I'll show some image over here with the power of editing of Dewey, like throwing the laptop around. It is crazy. So if you are looking for a very lightweight laptop, you might want to check that out. Now this part over here, they're actually taking photos because one of the newest features is Smart Share. So you can use either an iPhone, an Android device, and all you have to do is to tap, literally tap the phone at the side of the laptop of your Lenovo Aura, and you can actually access the photos and just drag and drop the photos that you want to move to your laptop, which is so convenient if you think about it. So those are just some. Over here, one more. Okay, we have Dewey right now who has the less than 1 kilogram laptop. ThinkPad, what the F? Okay. So Dewey, what do you think of the laptop?
Sobrang ganda niya kasi the last time I reviewed something this time was the X1 Nano. This one's even better kasi mas kompleto na yung ports niya.
Okay, so there you guys have it. Make sure to watch out for it when it releases. Or I don't know if it's released, no? Not yet, right?
Not yet. Wala pang price.
The ThinkPad Carbon Edition, less than 1 kilogram. This allows for you to be able to get the support that you need from a dedicated team of experts from Lenovo in case you need anything. So it works wherever you are, right? So again, if you guys are looking for new AI laptops, you might want to check out all of these new offerings from Lenovo. I'll talk more about them in the upcoming reels that I'll have on my Facebook and Instagram. So make sure to check that out.
That is so cute.
So we're here at the Ramen Museum. So this is where they make, I guess, ramen. So we get to make our own and we'll test it out. I'll share with you guys what we end up making. The most energetic. Yes. Oh, this is awesome.
Welcome, hello. Welcome to our ramen making class. And today, everyone's going to try making ramen noodles. We are the instructors in green polo shirt, and we will teach you how to make ramen noodles using bamboo. Please call us Sensei.
Sensei!
Thank you, mercy. About 60 centimeters in diameter. なんか電話来てます。そして、next, put the dough on the table. で、これね、it's important. こう place it about 15 centimeters from the corner. Bamboo! Woo! で、まず first, じゃあ、ちょっとね、be careful, be careful. Sorry, thank you very much. まず first, touch the wall. で、straight ですね。で、I'm right handed, straight. で、center, middle, on the door. Right hand, left hand. Everything ready. したら、place. Put my weight here, strongly. Place. ね、で、このと、こう like that. ですね。次 next, こう up. で、move it to the right, リドバリド。こう right. で、place. Right. Place.
This is tiring. Ramen as art.
Go ahead.
It's a nice ramen dish bowl room corridor thing. Yo, so good morning. It is day 2 here in Yokohama. Yesterday, you saw pretty much what happened. Very full day. We ended with the ramen making thing. It was really tiring. So this is the output. So I ended up coming up with this. So yeah, it was kind of tiring because we have to use it was very manual with the bamboo trying to flatten everything out. And then in the evening, we went to the observatory. I'll show you guys a couple of clips right now. It had like a really nice panoramic view of the Yokohama skyline. You could even see the outline of Mount Fuji if it's not cloudy. So overall, that was a great experience. So yeah, that's pretty much what's been happening so far. I just wanted to chime in very quickly on the sneaker that I wore throughout the day. So this is the Cloud Monster that we brought along for the trip. And I can tell you right now that when it comes to comparing this and the Cloud Runner 2, I would rather the Cloud Runner 2. Primarily because my flat feet are not compatible with this. It does not have enough arch support, which puts more pressure not just on my feet but also on my heel, which activates or does the It makes my heel spurs hurt or plantar fasciitis or whatever you call that. Something that I do not experience with the Cloud Runner 2. So if I were to pick between the Cloud Monster or the Cloud Runner 2, easily I'd go with the Cloud Runner 2. So that was a bit of a slight disappointment for me because I thought that I would get something similar with this or maybe even better. But unfortunately, that's not the case. So we'll stick to the sneaker that works for us. So yeah, that wraps up this episode for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not sure if I can do one more episode on Yokohama because today, probably can. Let's see what happens. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll try to do my best to do more vlogs in the coming days and weeks ahead. I think I have a Taipei trip around the corner. I'll be in Taiwan March 7 onwards, I think. So you can expect more travel vlogs from me in the coming weeks. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlos signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Let's go ramen. Boom.